it's a shoe unboxing. And it's actually a double shoe unboxing with one pair of shoes I currently have and one pair of shoes that should be here tomorrow. And they're both Crocs. I am obsessed with Crocs. I am like a crazy Croc collector. I used to wear Crocs like a long time ago. I had a leopard pair that I loved so much. But the thing that really like got me into Crocs again was the KFC Crocs. When those first came out several years ago now, I was even talking about this. I'm not sure if it was in my last shoe unboxing video or another Croc video, something I was like talking about where I was like, I will even wear Crocs to your wedding. We went to a friend's wedding earlier this year and I was wearing like dressy shoes at the start, but then like once everybody started like dancing and partying and stuff, Crocs. I put on the Crocs. One of these pairs I did get from Amazon. That's the one that's not here yet. So I'll be filming that segment tomorrow. So why am I even bringing it up right now? I don't know. These you can only order from crocs.com, which honestly, that would be my one gripe with Crocs. I wish more of them came in like the special collector's boxes or just like shoe boxes in general. A couple of the like special edition ones that we've gotten, like the Lisa Frank ones, oh, and the Lazy Oaf ones that I love and wear so much. Those are definitely two styles that I do remember came in boxes. These, we got a sack. These are a brand new style called Sirens. And look at them. I have tried them on just because that's another like thing, which if you guys have this experience with Crocs, you have to let me know. A while ago, I actually discovered we have a Crocs outlet really local to us. So if you guys are into Crocs as well, if y'all can find a Croc outlet store, you should definitely go because the coolest thing was like the Jibbitz, like I should just show you guys like the Jibbitz that I got. I'll show those to you tomorrow. But you can even get some of the special edition Jibbitz for like really inexpensive. Like they do sales all the time where you can get like, I don't know, 5 Jibbitz for $15 or something. I don't remember what the actual sale was. But you guys, I ordered a bunch of weird Croc Jibbitz from, I kind of did a combo of like AliExpress and Temu. I found like some really weird and ugly ones that I'm very excited to get. So I'm probably gonna, you know, decorate these with those. Anyway, I had somebody at the Crocs store like confirm it to me that Crocs, the different styles can fit differently. So I want to know if y'all have ever had that experience because for instance, like the Lisa Frank ones, those always make me so sad, honestly, because they're some of my favorite Crocs visually, but they don't fit me very well. They fit, in my opinion, more like a size 8 than a size 7. Like mine are really loose on me, and it's not even like the length, it's like the width. It's like where your actual toe fits. I don't know what they call the across part of shoes. It's like way too big on me. So I really don't wear those very frequently. Like usually I just put them on and like take a picture. So there's been like a few that are like that, but most of the time they fit me perfectly. So I did already slip these on because I wanted to make sure, because I was a little bit nervous if this was a style that for whatever reason fit me a little bit more broadly. I was nervous that I was going to be able to keep these on my feet because I guess one thing that I thought, and I just didn't look at the picture closely enough, these do not have sport mode, but they are like really lightweight, because that's something I was thinking about too, is like if they don't have sport mode and the heels, I think the heels are like, I don't know, they're really lightweight. They may not be like fully filled, if that makes sense. They might be a little bit more on the squishy hollow side inside. Like I can't squish them in, but they feel like really, really lightweight. They feel like maybe fractionally heavier. I should like bust out a scale or something. They just feel like fractionally heavier to me than normal everyday Crocs. I'm gonna do a run test in these. I'm gonna do a jump test in these. Other than that, so far, they feel like a normal pair of Crocs, just they have a little bit of a heel on them, but like when I'm putting them on, they don't feel any different, if you know what I mean. That's another great thing that I personally love about Crocs, why I feel like I am personally so obsessed with them, is there's no break-in time. Like, every pair of Crocs I get, I can literally just put them on. Like, it's not like, I don't know, Doc Martens or something where you kind of have to like build, you gotta like break them in. You know what I mean? Like these, you can just get like a fresh new style and wear them all night out on the town if you want to. I am excited and nervous to show you guys the next pair of Crocs, so I'll finish this video tomorrow, but those have a design on them like the Lisa Frank Crocs. So fingers crossed that they will fit. The good thing is, once again, I did buy those from Amazon, so I guess I'll try them on inside first, and then if they don't fit, I'll have to like maybe exchange them. Although once again, it's not like the length. Like I feel like that's most of the time, correct me if I'm wrong, where like if you have a pair of shoes that doesn't fit, it's because they're too short, too long, whatever. These are just literally like the toe area is too wide. I will see you guys tomorrow for the rest of this video and the try on portion. So bye for now. I forgot. I promised y'all a Jibbitz hurl. Also, I cannot believe how hot it is. This is definitely the hottest summer of all of my existence. The actual temperature today is 105, but it feels like 108. So I'm sorry that the try-on clip was not like splendidly framed. I feel like I actually got more pavement in frame than the actual shoe I was trying to show you guys, but I couldn't see anything. Camera, screen, looked like nothing. Started to overheat. I was just there for 5 minutes. My phone started to get that little like warning light on it that was like, please take your phone inside. It's starting to overheat in a matter of 5 minutes. I also wanted to go outside and film these clips because I've been wanting to do outfit of the days again, and I feel like it is kind of silly to just show what I'm wearing inside. I always prefer to like go to the park or abandoned junior high or whatever and like show you guys my outfits actually outside in motion, but we may be still a couple months away from that. Like, it shows no signs of raining or cooling, and it's kind of frightening. I keep wanting to get one of those albums for Crocs Jibbitz storage. Have you guys seen those? But a lot of the charms that I love to get most are the 3-dimensional ones, so I'm not sure if that would be like the greatest storage plan for me, because probably most of them would not fit. A set of wiggly eyes. I felt that that would be so fun. Look, oh, can I like, I'm trying to like move so that, we can get some motion there. Example of magical limited edition or special edition Jibbitz that you can get at the outlet store. I think that they actually, in fact, did 2 Lisa Frank Croc releases. The first ones I got, but you guys know with the fitting situation, I didn't bother to try and get the second set. I'm pretty sure the second time around it was like a pink, and then they had other Jibbitz, but I was so glad that I could get Zoomer and Zorbit. Isn't that the Lisa Frank alien names? I think so. I got this Joker card for Dogman. He has Crocs as well. Some of my favorite ones are these ones with liquid. They have like motion to them. And then this, I hope you guys are gonna be able to see in motion. It's a lava lamp. And the glitter, it actually has like water and glitter trapped inside. Now time for the next part of this video. These have been on my Amazon wish list for a very long time. You know how these came up is, honestly, you guys know when you're placing an order on Amazon and they're like, do you want to get your stuff by today? Like the overnight kind of shipping option. They're like, you can add these things to your cart. And they started like pulling stuff like that's actually from your wish list. Because does anybody else feel like it used to just recommend to you like totally random stuff? Which sometimes that's good, sometimes not so good. I love these photorealistic strawberries that are printed on here. I'm trying to remember if I've just had other like photorealistic Crocs saved in my wish list or if I actually have another pair. I know I've looked at the Lightning Crocs for a long time. I'm honestly drawn to them because they remind me of the Animal Collective Strawberry Jam album cover from 1,000 years ago. And I also thought that these would be particularly fun to put a bunch of weird Jibbitz on. I did already just go ahead and take these out of the Amazon packaging because once again, they just came like wrapped in a plastic bag. So I am gonna go ahead and slip them on. Oh no, you guys. I'm so glad I didn't cut the tag off. If y'all see any stray hairs all over these shoes, just ignore that. I unboxed a wig in here the other day. You guys haven't seen that video yet, but y'all, I don't know what is going on with these Crocs. Can you guys see like how much larger the strawberry Croc looks than the other one? Definitely in the video clip, you can see like that this shoe looks much wider than this one. I don't understand why this happens, and it particularly seems to happen more with like the specialty limited edition Crocs, maybe like these printed ones. It sucks, and I really tried to get some clips, some visuals for you guys. The feeling is just like so yucky to me. Maybe I'm just being silly because I feel like this is an issue I could very easily remedy by just putting the Crocs in sport mode, but I really don't like to wear my Crocs like that. It has to be like some of my fancier Crocs, like once again, the Lazy Oaf ones that are much heavier, where I just feel like I get a better fit if I do put them in sport mode, but I don't really feel like I would ever just like slide those on to take a quick walk or run errands or something like that in. Like I only wear those like if I have an outfit that coordinates with them. These I definitely got to be just like standard, let's go out and run errands or take a walk. I hate to say exercise in them, but I do. Most of the time I'm like walking like quicker, like for fitness. So, you know, I don't really want to be like walking with wiggly Crocs wiggling all over my feet. And I feel like that's part of the charm for me of Crocs, is literally just being able to slide them on. You don't have to tie them or buckle them or put them in sport mode if you don't want to. It feels like they run just about a half size larger. Like these fit me like maybe a 7.5 would. I feel like visually they look wider. They look just a little bit longer. Y'all are gonna have to let me know if you can see that. So today we have one Croc success, one Croc failure. I'm gonna maybe double check and see if Crocs come in half sizes. I don't think they do. I'm kind of wondering if I got a 6.5, if it would fit better, or if then like this part would be too short. But I am still really excited about the siren heels. Let me know in the comments down below if y'all have ever had a Croc experience like this, or maybe another shoe brand. I'm trying to remember if I ever had like Jeffrey Campbell's that were kind of this way. I feel like sometimes the sandals ran a little bit funky. Like I feel like sometimes I would get a size 7 and my little pinky toe would just like always slip out of the side of the shoe. That's it for today, and I already have the next shoe in the mail for a shoe unboxing that I'm hopefully gonna have up by next week. Halloween is already here. I was gonna wait to do like all my Halloween content for Vlogoween, but I feel like by the time, like I don't know, you guys, Halloween starts every single year in like July now, August, and I feel like if I wait any longer, like I'm gonna be late to the party. Halloween content maybe starting next week. Thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp Family, and give an alligator its wings. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon